Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel. So today here we are again. I'm going to make a very easy stitch pattern for your future projects. So I have here my acrylic yarn and I'm going to make use of my 4mm crochet hook. So let's get started. For the stitch pattern, our foundation chain should be multiple of 3 and at the end add 4. So I have made my foundation chain and I added 4 chains at the end. So to start our first row, we're going to make 1 double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to make 1 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, and on the next one we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. All in the same chain. So skip 2 chains, 2 double crochets on the next chain, chain 2. So this will be our repeat for the first row. Skipping 2 chains, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 1 single crochet, all on the same chain. This stitch pattern will have a very nice finish. So repeat until your last chain. Again, skipping 2 chains, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and a single crochet. Again, skipping 2 chains, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. So I have done my last 2 double crochets, chain 2, and a single crochet. We have 3 chains left. We're going to skip 2 chains, and on the last chain we're going to make 2 double crochets. So to move up for our next row, chain 3. So our chain 3 will be counted as the first double crochet, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on the same chain. This time we're going to work on the chain 2 spaces. For our stitch, so 2 double crochets, chain 2, and a single crochet. So work on the chain 2 space. Chain 2, and our single crochet. So again, this is a 1 row repeat pattern. So basically we're just repeating what we did on the first row. You can also do several colors depending on your preference. If you want to change color every row, so you just have to repeat our first row for your entire project. So to end our row, we're going to make 2 double crochets on our last chain. So again, to start your next row, chain 3 and a double crochet on the same chain. So that's how you're going to start and end your row. And then you're going to work on all of the chain 2 spaces, repeating our 2 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet, all on the same chain 2 space. This stitch pattern has a very nice finish. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you will get notified every time I put up a new video. So again, thank you so much for joining me today. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.